So here we have another pristine example of a Datsun 1200 coupe bought by Peter, and you just got to wonder why, but anyway, he's
Just keep wondering.
he's got it, and I'm the lucky bloke who supplies the trailer to move it for him. I'm just going to enjoy watching him lay on the mud and the ground to fix those bits up underneath. That'll be pretty cool. Anyway, so here we are again. Trailer's doing an awesome job.
And they said, oh, so we went round there and helped look for her. So I came back.
Yes, so yeah. I don't know what he paid for it. Maybe they paid him. I don't know.
You've got exhaust system to fix now. Oh, and a tail shaft. Okay.
Good work, I think.
So here we are. Apparently the tail shaft's dropped on the ground and it wants to go underneath the trailer. And there's Pete doing something, probably not much. I suppose I'm going to have to go and fix it for him, and he's carried in there's helping him, and yeah.
Okay, what do you reckon? Is that going to come off? Or
No, it's going to come off.
I think it's just a fine,
Let's just keep going.
wonderful example of the,
okay,
of the
walk it
model.
forward.
What's that?
Yeah, you okay to walk
I suppose it's got a good Datsun
yeah, the
badge
one's
on
on
it.
the
Anyway,
crane will be alright. You want to, thanks.
yeah,
Steve?
what's that, Pete? What do you want me to do? Take it off?
No, go forward.
If I just cut the strap, the rope, the winch cable,
Yeah.
and we go home?
Thanks
No?
very much.
No?
No, well, you're going to end up with your trailer and your
Well, it'll be worth it.
I see. Yeah, fun for you. Thanks very much.
Okay, we got to go up again. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
The exhaust, can you lift the exhaust up?
Okay.
It's about to belly itself against the back of the trailer.
Whereabouts?
See there? Is that going to hit?
Get in.
Yeah, maybe
I think
just
it'll
put
rise
your
up
arm over. Can you lift it or not?
Yep.
Okay. Hang on, I'm just going to move my one of the stays here.
Roll off the other end.
Oh, what a thing of beauty.
Bring it on.
Right. Yeah, we'll keep going. Why not? I think you need to steer it over this way a bit now, man. We'll have a look at that. I think that'll probably do. All right, we better get it tied on.
It's got plenty of patina. You've got to say
Patina, patina. That was the word we're looking for. Patina, another word for it's rooted.
that. No.
So, sorry, what is it? It's a perfect piece of what?
Garden art.
Oh, I thought you said shit.
No.
All good mix.
I'm just giving it a couple.
Oh, how beautiful is that? So there's a bit of
9 months.
there's a bit of dirt where the poor thing's been for years by the look of it.
Yeah, it's like days roll into when it comes to car projects.
Good work.
If you've got any machining to do,
Please let me know.
We need to be a baby at some point.
Yeah, well.
It's hard, yeah.
I haven't scheduled.
Well, what a beast is all I can say. A beast. Oh, the rubbish bin.
So here we are at the resting place of Pete's car.
Well, I want to know what Lisa thinks of this wonderful piece of garden art.
We've actually got Lisa Portman here, and she thinks it's wonderful that another piece of it, what is it, magnificent Datsun motoring has arrived at her shed.
Just beautiful.
Just
Nice.
beautiful.
Heaps of patina.
Patina,
Patina's the big word. Oh no, I think the potential.
here we go.